Hey, what is going on, everyone? Happy Friday. Hope everybody's in good spirits, man. Um, a couple things real quick before I get into this GoTrax G3 Plus. Shout out, I'm gonna tag him in this video. This is the dude who's kind of following, the whole progression with the Rambler 20, and we got the battery extension situation done. He went and got the component, wired up a battery. Check this out. So he has the 7.8 amp hour Rambler 20 battery, and then just to test, he also ran an additional I think it was a what's that what's the is that a high boy? I think it was a high boy battery. I think it was a high boy. I'm not sure. Not to be 100. I'm not 100% sure on that. But he ran a 6 hour battery along with it. So basically, he had a combined capacity of 13.7. I would say 13 and a half, but 13.7, 13.8 amp hours, and he was able to achieve 15.2 miles, and I think he still had some juice left. I mean, that's over a mile per amp hour. So that is hella impressive. So shout outs to him. I'm gonna tag him. I can't remember his YouTube screen name offhand, but I'm gonna tag it. And he's also got a video kind of showing this, so I'm gonna tag all of this in the description. You guys really need to go check it out, man. I'll also put the link to the video I did on it, because in the description of that video, it has the link to the adapter that you need to go ahead and run that battery, that extended battery, and it reads everything. So shout outs to him. I'll drop his information. However, this is just a real quick video on the GoTrax G3 Plus. This is a scooter that I got. It was one of those sort of warranty situations where GoTrax just decided to replace the scooter for the customer, and then I ended up she just said, hey, take it. And then what I did was, it came originally with this battery, and this was the crux of the problem. It was this battery right here. So, Tao Tao. That's a company. Okay, well, this is their battery. This is it right here. This is the model number and all that. So anybody seeing this, if you have a GoTrax G3 Plus with a problem with the battery shutting off or the scooter shutting off, it has to do with this battery. Inside the BMS here, when it gets a little heat to it, it just decides to shut off. And to me, that strikes of, like, say, like a weak tab weld somewhere in here. So it's not as if the battery doesn't work, because you can test it with a voltmeter, but if you test it with a resistance meter, it'll show you that there's a problem inside. So what I did was, I have my Erdu batteries that I get from overseas, my factory over there. I have some 10 amp hour batteries, right, with the XT60 connectors, all that good stuff. Has the same sort of 10S3P configuration. So I put a 10 amp hour battery in here. So this has 4 amp hours more than this battery here. This is a 6, there's a 10 in here. But here's what I just finished doing. And I'll put this in the description as well. We just went ahead and also did a hard tire upgrade, because I put the battery in here and I sold it to a customer of mine around the corner. He sent me a few customers over, and he was like, I want something cheap to ride around on to go to the store. I said, I got you, bro. And so I put the 10 amp hour battery in here, and it was running great. And then, as typically what happens with a lot of these scooters, flat tire, right? So he was like, well, dude, I don't even want to mess around. Let's just go hard tire upgrade. I said, I got you, bro. And so I just finished this up. So this is like kind of like my specialty, man. This is like the Pacific Rides upgraded version of a GoTrax G3 Plus. What we do is we have a battery that has 4 amp hours more than the original battery. So we went from 6 amp hours to 10 amp hours, where we basically just we went 40. We did a 40% increase on the battery performance and range, and then what we also just did was these snazzy solid tire upgrades here. I tried to get it to match as closely as possible. This is a little bit sort of kind of sun oxidized, so the blue on the tires don't quite match up, but this will get to that point and it'll match and it'll fit just like a glove. But I think it's sexy anyway. I don't know, dude, this is like, so if you guys are kind of wondering like what I do jobs like this damn near every day. Okay, it's stuff like this where I make the stock scooter better, without cutting wires. I'm wholly against that. If you guys go through all of the videos and stuff, tips, tricks, repairs, etc., I never advise that you cut wires if you're trying to upgrade something, right? So what you do is you address the weak points, okay, and then you extend or improve where you can. Like battery, for example, you can improve these batteries. If you kind of know what you're doing and work with the system that's in there, you don't have to change anything. So yeah, man. Again, just wanted to give you guys a quick little video for this Friday. We have I'm going to call this the GoTrax G3 Plus Plus. So what we did was we enhanced it with a 10 amp hour battery, 4 amp hours over stock, solid tires. It's a good little riding vehicles, man, especially now we're getting into springtime, weather getting better. You know how that go. All right, y'all. I hope you guys have a happy Friday and you have a good productive weekend. Don't take it too hard out there. Enjoy the weekend. Peace out.